In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a Google Drive link in a private Facebook group. So basically, sharing a Google Drive link in a private Facebook group is the same as a normal Facebook group, but we will show you today how to do this. So for the first step, go to your Google Drive. If you are not logged in or you can't find it, then go to Google, search for Google Drive. Make sure you are logged into your Google account, and after that you will be redirected to your drive. So what we need to do now is select the file or folder which we want to share in this Facebook group. Now click on the three dots, and after that you have a share option. Click on copy link, then go back to Facebook, make sure you are logged into it, and then we are going to this section. You can click on it. Now you can copy and paste the link into this message and you can post it in a private Facebook group. That is how you share a Google Drive link in a private Facebook group.